Happy birthday, Tito Gani. Salamat sa pagsagot every time na tinatawag ko si Joshua dati nung bata pa kami. Ikaw nasagot ng, oy! O kaya, bakit? Ayun, God bless. Happy birthday. Papasok ko na po sa paborito niyong anak. LG, ready ka na, G? Ito na po si LG.
Hi, Dad! Happy birthday! Masaya naman ako dito sa Japan. Malamig lang. Miss you, Dad!
Happy birthday!
GG 言ってください
Happy birthday, Godfather!
Ay, paano yung twist?逆はどうやって
Hello po, Kuya Gani. Happy birthday po.
Maraming salamat sa Jollibee! Po! More birthday to come!
Sana po palagi po kayong healthy at lumago pa po yung business nyo. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya bumili ka ng pan, wala na tayong pan. Naupunan ako lagi. Wala ng pan.
Happy birthday po ulit. Salamat po.
Nakarecord na ba?
Happy birthday, boss! Good health and many more birthdays to come. God bless you. Ingat lagi, boss!
Happy 62nd birthday, Gani. You have aged like a fine wine, which is wise, warm, and just like the amount of crispy, a kind of like your beloved, favorite chicharon. Wishing for your good health, happiness, and more years of joyful snacking and unforgettable memories. You're truly one kind. And we are lucky to call you family. Greetings coming from me, Jojo, Virgie, Grace, Jan, my grandson Noah, and in-laws Giancarlo and Sansin. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tito Gani.
Happy birthday, Gani.
Happy birthday. See you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dong Gani. Sana dumami pa ang lahi mo. Happy birthday.
Greeting you a blessed and happy birthday, Tito Gani.
Happy birthday, Tito Gani. We love you. You say, happy birthday.
Hi, Ninong Boy Scout. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you sa mga baang ko. I love you. Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday. Ginawa kong ginawa kong tulugan tong break room namin eh.
Ito may video ko. Hello, Dad. Happy birthday. So, kanina sinasabihan mo ako bakit ang aga namin maligo. Kasi i-clean ko na yung cake mo. Ayan na. Happy birthday. Yeah, I have your cakes na. Happy birthday, Dad. Sana mag-enjoy ka. And sana matuwa ka sa cake mo na malaasap. Bilan mo ako ng madaming happy meal. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Surprise! To the best partner in life, on the day that I met you, I found the missing piece. You are my best friend. You are my soulmate. You are my rock. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for all the hardships. Thank you for all the sacrifices. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Gani.